record, nigga. Let's go.
Hey, you know what it is, folks. This your motherfucking homeboy, Diego Cushy, a.k.a. Blow Montana, Mr. Money Man.
Yeah, nigga, we gets it in. You feel me?
Money Man shit, nigga. We taking off, nigga. We out here 8D right now.
Hey, what? Niggas out here wet as fuck. Hey, you got the glisten. Hey, show the risk again, nigga. Show the risk again. We getting it in. They ain't ready for it, bro. We wet, nigga. Hey, nigga, fuck that, nigga. On gear, nigga. Well, bro, I bags everything with the neck, bro. I bags everything. You know what I'm saying? We got Diesel behind the film. He recording shit. We all out here recording shit. We having a good ass time for my nigga Tay birthday. You feel me?
I'm tired of niggas talking about swag, man.
Young Grill.
You niggas better start talking about some money out here and quit talking about this swag shit. Fuck the swag, nigga.
Young Grill, nigga.
I'm at the
Nigga, say what up, nigga. Say what up.
Yeah, baby. Money Man shit, nigga. We right down the street getting it in, nigga. I'm at the bank, all day. All day. Check my deposit stubs, nigga.
Niggas out here wet as fuck. You feel me? You know what I mean? Where the hoes at, though? Let's reel in on some hoes here. Look at this ass over here. Look at old girl booty. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Don't get in the way now.
Girl, shake that booty, me.
Step to the side, yo. We got hoes everywhere. We got the dickheads. Who the unusual? Smoke. Little dirt bag. Look, get the little dirt bag. Look, he had from the cam.
Got the light on.
We gonna have, yeah, nigga. You see the light? That's why it's shining on everybody, nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? We gets it in over here. You feel me? It's Money Man, bitch.
Check my deposits, man.